heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Hunterdon County in Northwestern New Jersey, Northwestern Mercer County in Central New Jersey, Southwestern Somerset County in Northern New Jersey, Southeastern Montgomery County in Southeastern Pennsylvania, Southeastern Bucks County in Southeastern Pennsylvania, Southeastern Chester County in Southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in Southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in Southeastern Pennsylvania, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near New Hope to Elam, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Bensalem, Ewing, Norristown, Chester, East Norton, Princeton, Yadden, Westtown, Conshohocken, Hatboro, Folcroft, Ambler, Swarthmore, Kennett Square, Jenkintown, Narberth, East Lansdowne, and Pennington. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 329 and 357. Northeast Extension between mile markers 21 and 22. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 5 and 14, and between mile markers 22 and 40. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 328 and 348. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 69 and 76. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with some of these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, the current time is 10:20.